Hey guys, today's video is going to be a college apartment haul. I'm going into my sophomore year at Penn State University and I could not be more excited to live in an apartment because if you guys know, you know that my dorm was absolutely disgusting last year. So I'm super excited to decorate a whole new apartment and everything, a new space. Just for like a little bit of background, so I'm living with 3 other girls in a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment. So I have my own bedroom and I have a bathroom attached, which I'm super grateful for. Theme-wise, we are doing pink, like a light pink theme for the living room. And then for my bedroom, I'm doing like a light blue theme. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, first off, we're going to be starting with decor. I think that's probably the most fun, so why not start with it? So the first thing I have to show you guys is I have 2 huge beach prints. So this is the first one, and then this is the second one. The frames themselves are from Target. I want to say they're 20 by 26. They were crazy cheap, and then I got the print itself on Etsy. I think I'm just gonna take the things I've already shown and just literally just like throw them in the back of the room because I don't know where else to put it. Keeping on the picture frame trend, the next thing I have is this piece of art for my bathroom. Hypothetically, this could go above the toilet if there's like a blank wall. So I got this from HomeGoods. It was $9 on clearance. I just thought it was cute because it's simple, kind of beachy, kind of not. It's like kind of textured. That's what it looks like, and yeah, that's that. The next piece of decor I have is this gorgeous LED sign from Amazon. Obviously it says fuck off because what else would it say? This, I don't know where it's going in my room, but it will be making an appearance because it's blue and it's pretty and I needed to get it. And I got this from Amazon. It was like 40 bucks. Talking about lights, I just got 2 packs of these LED lights. These are like little 3 feet ones. One of these will probably be for my bedroom and then the other one will probably be for like the living room or something, but they're super short and just easy to put on. So I figured why not get them. These are from Five Below. They were $4 a piece. Next up, we have a whole bunch of gold frames. I did not know that the dollar store had frames. It literally changed my life when I found that out because frames are so expensive. So I went to the dollar store and picked up 8 of these 5x7 frames. So they seem like they're good quality as of now at least, but I got 4 of these for my bedroom, and then for a little like bar card area or just like somewhere in the apartment, I made 4 prints actually that we're gonna be putting in these 4 frames that I thought would be cute because we're doing like pink and gold for our theme. All right, next up for the living room, this is something I already had from last year. I honestly think that Michaela got it for me, like my old roommate. So hey Michaela, I think I might have stole this because I don't think this is mine. Little kissy lips, it's pink, so I thought it'd be perfect for our apartment. This is also something I already had. These are just like little like star lights, string light type beat. I don't know where we'll put these, maybe on like the bar card or something, but, and then I got this frame from TJ Maxx, $5. Okay, so the next couple things are all for my bar cart. I feel like a bar cart's like a college essential. Basically it's like a cart you get and you just like put like cute cups, and it's basically, it's not very practical, but it's basically like all for decor and it's just like super cute and girly and bonding and like we love. Of course we had to have one, so I ordered a bar cart that is actually being shipped to the apartment itself. Here's a picture of the bar cart. Wow, we love. It was way overpriced, but you know, it's okay. I'll just get this out of the way. I also ordered a rug for our living room that's also getting shipped straight there. And then lastly, my bedroom rug. I'm not gonna unroll it or anything to show you guys, but this is what it looks like. Back to present day. So I have a bunch of things for my bar cart that I thought were just so cute, so I'm gonna be showing all of these. The first thing is 20 of these plastic cups. They're just pink, again, just add some fun color. More cups. I have these game day cups. I thought these were so cute and just like funny. These are from TJ Maxx. These were $5. These are straws from Shein actually. These were like $1.25. We have some fun shot glasses from the dollar store, and then this is actually a little DIY I made. So I took this wooden, you guys can see I didn't do the bottom or the sides, kind of ghetto, but it's like a wooden tray. I thought we could just like stack it on top, add some dimension, maybe put like some glasses on top. I don't really know. This was like $3 or $5 or something from like the Target dollar section. Love her. And then I also took my spray paint and spray painted this tray from the dollar store, again just to add some like dimension of some sort. This was $1, I'm pretty sure, maybe $1.25. And then I got these rainbow plates. I don't know, something was drawing me to them. I probably will not end up putting these on the bar cart because they're kind of really cringy now that I'm looking at it, but I thought they were funny, definitely for just decor only if I end up using them. I don't even know. And now onto the glasses. So who knew the dollar store had glasses? The dollar store actually has everything. So I got 2 of these little like margarita glasses, and then I just got 2 of these like short glasses, $1.25 a piece. And then from HomeGoods I got 2 of these little like rainbow glasses, kind of here for this little fun girly moment. I ripped off the sticker, but I'm pretty sure they were $4 a piece or maybe $3. And lastly, I have my little shot glass that Michaela made me last year. I think that is all for the bar cart decor. So we'll go back to the room decor. So for my room, I bought these little tray things from HomeGoods. I thought they'd be cute and like dainty. This was $4 from HomeGoods and this was $5 from HomeGoods. They are just like cute little trinket dishes. Not sure what I'm gonna use them for, but I thought they were cute. Now I'm gonna move on to all of my bedding and towels and all of that fun stuff. Okay. pause. We know that I love a good duvet cover. Didn't end up getting one, really disappointed in myself. I just simply didn't feel like buying it, so I ended up buying a comforter, which is really not my vibe. We know I love a good duvet, but it's actually the same comforter I have on this bed, and my mom banned me from getting duvets at home because something about it, like, she just like wasn't fucking with it, so like she made me get a comforter. We're not gonna talk about it. Now I'm a comforter girl, I guess. So I got this one from Target. It's the exact same one I have in my bed right now, as I said. It's machine washable, which is super nice. Just a white, like, literally just plain simple comforter. It's like 25 bucks from Target. Full size, because I have a full size bed, thank God, and here she is. I had a very specific vision of what I wanted for my bed, so hopefully this all comes to life. But the next thing I needed, this exact shade of blue for my pillows. So these are from Amazon. It came in a set of 2, specifically wanted 3 of them. So I had to order a set of 4, so the other blue one is just gonna not go anywhere, I guess. But I ordered these pillow covers. They're 18 by 18. I think what I'm going to be doing is just putting them on some of those pillows because I thought it was dumb to like buy a bunch of new pillows when I have actually 100 on that bed. So 4 pillow covers in this blue shade, and it matches my prints perfectly, which is why I was so picky. Going along with that, I had a very specific vision of what I wanted my blanket and my other throw pillow to look like. This is a cream knit blanket. I was trying to look everywhere for one that wasn't like actually $1 million, so I found this one on Amazon. I think it was like $30, $40, which I still think is stupid for a blanket, but my one requirement with a throw blanket is that it cannot be throw size. It has to be larger or else you can't take a nap with it. This pillow, this matches my blanket perfectly. This is a little lumbar pillow. We don't sleep with her. We don't really touch her. It's just kind of for decor. Probably will end up being on the floor 9 times out of 10, but it's good to have. And this one is from TJ Maxx, I want to say. Home Goods for $25. And that's all for my bed, but we do have this little bed bug protector we're putting under. My mom is like a huge advocate for this shit. Couldn't really tell you why, but she like requires me to have one as if my apartment's not brand new. But just in case there's a bed bug or two, we have a bed bug protector and bed bug spray. Don't get it twisted. Next, onto all the bathroom stuff. So these are towels and washcloths, 2 bath towels, but I have 2 washcloths and 2 hand towels. I think this was also like around 20 or 15 or something. And then I got a little bath mat. This is from Target as well. That is all for my bedding, and now we're gonna move on to my kitchen stuff. First up, we got a cutting board. This cutting board might look a little crusty because it's from my kitchen. We've had this thing for years. Next up, we have a ton of Tupperware. These are just 2 rectangle ones. I don't know what we're gonna put in these, like big ass boxes of pasta, sure. These are some small bowls. We have 4 of them. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these little rectangles. I had these in my dorm last year thinking I was gonna have like leftovers. Didn't happen. We also have these little measuring spoons and cup moment. This is from the dollar store. We have some fun spoons and things. These are from Facebook Marketplace. My mom posted like, hey yo, who's got some kitchen shit for my daughter? And this bitch swiped up and gave them for free. We love. I also have cups and bowls and plates that are super nice from Facebook Marketplace as well. And then I have a little silverware organizer. And then again from Facebook Marketplace, we have a whole big ass bag of silverware. And then we have a little drying mat for your dishes. And going along with that, we have a dish drying rack. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond. The mat was from the dollar store. And then talking about the dollar store, my favorite spot, we have this ugly gray dish towel because I couldn't find real dish towels. So I went to Home Goods and I bought these bath towels because I thought they were cute. They're pink. They're gonna match our theme perfectly. And lastly, for the kitchen, we have a toaster. I don't use toasters, so I don't really know if this is a good one. So I figured this would do the job just fine. Lastly, the last category is just gonna be like random. So first we have a printer chilling on the floor right there. I had this for my dorm last year, but I couldn't figure out how to set it up for the entire duration of the school year. So now that I have an apartment and I can just hook it up to the Wi-Fi, no issues, I have a printer. I have a glass shower in my apartment, so I have a little squeegee boy. This is from the dollar store, you guessed it. Also for my dorm last year, we have my laundry rack. I don't put anything in the dryer besides like undies and bras, so got her. I have an extension cord laundry basket. It's collapsible, so you just like slide it in like your closet or something. Keeps everything nice and neat. This little organizer that literally still has shit from my dorm in it. Face masks, because you never know what's going on in the world nowadays. So I have 75 black masks that I just had left over from my dorm last year. Command hooks that are left over from last year. These are like the actual hooks. I probably won't really use these unless it's like in my bathroom to like hang my towel. And then we have a big boy hook. Again, don't think I'll really use this. Maybe to like hang up like my backpack or something. The normal command hooks. We have small, medium, and large. And last but not least, we have these 2 bins. I don't know what these are for. I had them for my dorm last year. We're just gonna run with it. Bring them. They're nice for maybe like under the counter storage. I don't really know. But yeah, I think that's everything I have. That is all for this video. I'm so excited to move in. Like, you don't understand, I am counting down the days till move in. I can't wait to go back to college. I need to get out of this town immediately. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time I post. Peace out.